Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? Or could there possibly be other universes just like ours? Or maybe even completely different? An intriguing question, isn't it? One that has tickled the curiosity of humanity for as long as we've been capable of gazing up at the night sky. From the earliest days of our species, we've looked at the cosmos, seeing it not just as a collection of distant lights, but as a grand tapestry of existence, woven together by the threads of time and space. Throughout history, our understanding of the universe has evolved dramatically. We've moved from seeing the Earth as the center of the universe to realizing our place within a vast galaxy amidst countless others. But even today, with all our scientific advancements, we're still left pondering the same fundamental question: are we alone? But what if the question isn't just about whether there's life elsewhere in our universe, but whether there are other universes entirely? Universes that exist simultaneously with ours, but in dimensions we can't perceive. Universes that could be as similar to ours as two peas in a pod or as different as chalk and cheese. A concept that sounds more like science fiction than science fact, and yet it's a possibility that some of the brightest minds in cosmology are taking seriously. They call it the multiverse theory. The multiverse theory is an idea that tantalizes the imagination. It invites us to consider a cosmos of limitless possibilities, a cosmos where the laws of physics as we understand them could be completely different. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality and forces us to confront the possibility that our universe may not be as unique as we once thought. This video will take you on a journey to explore the intriguing concept of the multiverse. So buckle up, because we're about to delve into a universe of possibilities. Or should we say, a multiverse of possibilities? The multiverse theory, in its simplest form, suggests that there may be many, or even an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. Now let's break this down. At its core, the multiverse theory is a cosmological hypothesis that posits the existence of a multitude, possibly an infinite number of universes, each with potentially different physical laws and characteristics. These universes are often referred to as parallel or alternate universes. Imagine a vast cosmic quilt, if you will, where each patch represents a different universe. Some patches might be similar to our own, with galaxies, stars, and planets. Others might be completely different, with unfamiliar laws of physics and unique forms of matter and energy. This is the vast, complex idea that the multiverse theory presents. One of the most fascinating aspects of the multiverse theory is the concept of infinite possibilities. If there are infinite universes, then every possible event could happen somewhere. This means that there could be a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct, or where you are the reigning world chess champion. The possibilities are, quite literally, endless. But how would these multiple universes come into existence? Some theories suggest that they could be born from black holes, or from the constant expansion and contraction of space. Others propose that they could be the result of quantum fluctuations, tiny changes in energy that can create entire universes out of nothing. However, it's important to note that the multiverse theory remains a hypothesis. It's a fascinating idea that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike, but it has yet to be proven. While there is some indirect evidence that suggests the existence of multiple universes, we still lack concrete proof. So, if the multiverse theory holds true, we are just a tiny speck in an infinitely larger cosmos filled with countless other universes. While the multiverse theory might seem like a wild idea, there is actually a fair amount of scientific evidence that supports it. Indeed, the realm of quantum mechanics, string theory, and cosmic inflation all hint at the possibility of a multiverse. Let's start with quantum mechanics. It's a branch of physics that delves into the smallest particles in the universe. Quantum mechanics suggests that particles exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple places at once until observed. This concept leads us to the many worlds interpretation, which proposes that for every possible outcome of a quantum event, the universe splits to accommodate each one. So in essence, an infinite number of universes could exist, each one representing a different outcome. Next, we have string theory. This theory suggests that the fundamental particles in the universe are not zero-dimensional points, but one-dimensional strings. According to string theory, there are potentially 10 or 11 dimensions, more than the 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time that we're familiar with. These extra dimensions could give rise to multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws. Finally, there's cosmic inflation. This theory posits that the universe underwent a rapid expansion shortly after the Big Bang, causing quantum fluctuations to stretch across the cosmos. Some cosmologists argue that this process could be eternal, constantly creating new pocket universes within an ever-expanding multiverse. These theories are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to evidence supporting the multiverse. However, it's important to note that they are still theories, and much more research is needed to confirm their validity. But they offer tantalizing hints at a universe far more complex and fascinating than we ever could have imagined. As we continue to explore the universe, we may find even more evidence that supports the existence of a multiverse. Whether we'll ever be able to visit these other universes is a question for another day. But one thing's for certain, the universe, or should I say multiverse, is a truly mind-boggling place. If the multiverse theory is true, what does that mean for us? This question plunges us into the realm of mind-boggling implications and thrilling possibilities. Imagine there's not just one universe, but an infinite number of universes, all coexisting in a grand cosmic ensemble. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a potential reality as proposed by the multiverse theory. The first implication we'll grapple with is the concept of parallel universes. Picture a universe where you made different choices, led a different life, or even a universe where the laws of physics are entirely different. The multiverse theory suggests that these universes could be as real as the one we inhabit, existing in a parallel dimension beyond our perception. Next, let's consider alternate realities. This idea takes parallel universes a step further, proposing that each decision, each random event, spawns a new universe. Every toss of a coin, every step you take, could create a new reality, a new universe. In this sense, we might be creating multiverses with every decision we make. And then, there's the concept of infinity. The multiverse theory implies that there may be an infinite number of universes. This presents a challenging paradox. If there are an infinite number of universes, then everything that can happen, has happened, and will happen again. It's a concept that stretches our understanding of space and time to its very limits. In the grand scheme of things, these implications push us to question our fundamental understanding of reality. They challenge our perceptions of existence, of causality, and of destiny. They force us to reconsider our place in the cosmos and the nature of reality itself. The multiverse theory not only expands our understanding of the universe, but also challenges our perceptions of reality. This theory, as abstract and complex as it may be, invites us to explore the universe in ways we could never have imagined. It's a journey of discovery that is as fascinating as it is mind-bending. As with any groundbreaking theory, the multiverse theory has its skeptics. It's an unavoidable fact, one that we must confront head-on. The skepticism surrounding the multiverse theory is as vast as the universe itself, and it's rooted in some legitimate scientific concerns. One of the most prominent criticisms is the lack of direct evidence. Unlike other scientific theories, the multiverse theory doesn't lend itself to easy testing or observation. After all, how do you observe an entirely different universe that exists outside the boundaries of our own observable cosmos? It's a bit like trying to see what's happening in your neighbor's house when there are no windows, doors, or any other means of peeking inside. Another challenge lies in the very nature of the multiverse theory itself. It's inherently untestable. This is a theory that suggests an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws. So even if we could somehow observe these other universes, we would still face the monumental task of testing a potentially infinite number of physical laws. Many skeptics argue that the multiverse theory is more of a philosophical concept than a scientific one. They contend that, without the ability to test or observe, the theory strays into the realm of metaphysics. For these critics, the multiverse theory isn't just unproven, it's unprovable. It's a fascinating idea, but one that doesn't meet the rigorous standards of empirical science. Yet, despite these criticisms, there is a persistent allure to the multiverse theory. It speaks to our innate curiosity, our desire to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. And while the skeptics have valid points, their criticism also fuels the quest for answers. This is how science progresses. New ideas are proposed, challenged, refined, and sometimes discarded. It's a process of constant questioning, a quest for truth that never ends. And it's this process that continues to propel the multiverse theory forward, despite the skepticism. Despite the skepticism, the multiverse theory continues to be a topic of intense debate and exploration in the scientific community. We may not have all the answers yet, but that doesn't mean we stop asking the questions. So, where do we go from here? The future of the multiverse theory is as expansive and enigmatic as the potential multiverses themselves. With each new discovery, with each advancement in technology, the possibility of proving or disproving this theory grows closer. Think of it like this. When we first started exploring our own planet, we were limited by the technology of the time. As our technology evolved, so did our understanding of the world around us. Now apply this same concept to the cosmos. As our technology continues to improve, we'll be able to explore the universe in ways we've never thought possible. Future advancements in telescopes, for instance, may allow us to see further into the cosmos than ever before. This could potentially reveal evidence of other universes. There's also the ongoing research into dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious elements that make up the vast majority of our universe. Understanding these could offer invaluable insights into the multiverse theory. And then there's quantum physics. This field of study has already given us mind-boggling concepts such as superposition and quantum entanglement. Who's to say that it won't also provide evidence of multiple universes? On top of this, there are countless experiments being conducted and studies being carried out all over the world. Scientists are tirelessly searching for evidence that could support, or perhaps even refute, the multiverse theory. But let's not forget the role of theoretical physicists. They're the ones who dare to dream, to envision a reality that stretches beyond our current understanding. They're the ones who are pushing the boundaries of what we think we know, constantly questioning, constantly exploring. So, the future of the multiverse theory. It's bright, it's exciting, it's filled with endless possibilities. And most importantly, it's a journey we're all a part of. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other fascinating discoveries await us? To sum up, the multiverse theory presents a universe of possibilities. In our journey today, we've delved into the depths of the multiverse theory, its simplicity, and its complexity. We've seen how it extends the concept of our universe, proposing the existence of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics and dimensions. A concept that, while may seem like the stuff of science fiction, has roots in serious scientific thought. We've explored the evidence that supports this theory, from the anomalies in the cosmic microwave background to the principles of quantum mechanics. We've looked at how these pieces of the puzzle could potentially fit together to create a picture of a multiverse. We've also pondered on the implications of the multiverse theory. If it holds true, it would redefine our understanding of reality, shifting the boundaries of the possible and the impossible. It would mean that every event that could possibly happen does happen in some universe. It would challenge the uniqueness of our own existence and open up the possibility of parallel lives. However, we've also acknowledged the skepticism surrounding the multiverse theory. It's a theory that's hard to prove or disprove, and it raises philosophical questions about the nature of science and the limits of our knowledge. It's a theory that pushes the boundaries of what we can observe and experiment, yet it's a theory that continues to intrigue and inspire. Looking forward, we've contemplated the future of the multiverse theory. As science progresses and our understanding of the universe deepens, the multiverse theory may find more concrete evidence, or it may be replaced by new theories. Either way, it's a theory that will continue to stimulate scientific investigation and philosophical debate. Whether you believe in the multiverse theory or not, one thing is certain: our universe is a fascinating place, and there is still so much more to discover.